Hi, I'm Floris from Dutch Realtor Training. I often get the question, how do I become a real estate agent? How does it work with a diploma? Do we need to get one? How about a certification? Can I join a professional association such as NVM with the course that you offer at Dutch Realtor Training? And so on. All good reasons to record a short, clear explainer video for you to lay it all out once and for all. Ready? Alright, here we go. The first rule in the world of real estate agents in the Netherlands is that the profession of a real estate agent is a free profession. If you want, you can snap your fingers right now, call yourself a real estate agent or a makelaar, open an agency and go through life as a real estate agent. There are seriously a lot of agents who have done this, and many still do. There's nothing wrong with that, as long as those agents have gained some knowledge somewhere. In your case, let me be perfectly honest, you probably don't speak Dutch or not fluently enough, which make following and passing an official Dutch real estate diploma course practically impossible, You need an alternative, and that is Dutch Realtor Training. There are no exams in the English course and you can finish it within a few weeks. Well, I get a lot of questions, do I get a diploma with your course? No, you don't. You'll receive a beautiful certificate, which you see now on the screen. And with this certificate, you are allowed to carry the Dutch Realtor Shared Quality mark in all your marketing materials, such as business cards, website, brochures, etc. I get the question, can you join a professional association with the Dutch Realtor Training, such as VBO? No, you cannot open your own real estate agency as a member of VBO with the certificate of Dutch Realtor Training. This means if you want that, you really need an official diploma. What you can do, however, is apply to work at any real estate office in the Netherlands that is not affiliated with the NVM. Alternatively, you can start your own real estate agency. At an NVM office, you can only work as a real estate agent if you hold an official diploma or if you can prove that you are in the process of obtaining one. I get the question a lot, do you need a professional association to open your own real estate agency? So do you need to become a member of VBO, for example? Well, I'm a big fan of those associations, but the answer is no. You don't need one, honestly. These professional associations offer many benefits, such as access to legal services, up-to-date working documents, industry knowledge, being subject to a professional disciplinary system, and much more. But for many agents, the main reason to join a professional association is to access data. Specifically, I mean housing data. This is critical for real estate agents as you constantly need to estimate property values when you're bidding or if you want to sell houses. The good news is that you no longer need to be a member of a professional association to access housing data and even working documents, because the working documents are provided in the course that you get at Dutch Realtor Training. And for the housing data, there is a tool called Matrician. And this tool, Matrician, is accessible for everyone. And with Matrician, you can look up photos, property details, transaction data of almost any sold home. In fact, we've recorded a separate explainer video showing you how this Matrician tool works. You'll find the link in the description of this video. Okay, Floris, but can you list homes on Funda without being a member of a professional association, such as VBO? Yeah, sure, no problem at all. Anyone can simply purchase a real estate CRM package from Colibri or RealWorks and list homes on Funda under the name of their own real estate agency. Right? But why is Dutch Realtor Training perfect for expat real estate agents? Well, the biggest problem for expat real estate agents in the Netherlands is that there are no real estate courses offered in English. And the Dutch courses that do exist, as mentioned before, are realistically not achievable for you if you don't speak fluently Dutch. That's why the Dutch Realtor Training course has been specially developed for you, new expat real estate agent. And this course is your one-stop shop. Buy the course, start learning, start using the working documents, and start earning money. However, it is very important to gain working experience somewhere, and how you arrange such working experience, that's going to be taught to you in a separate video, and the link of that video is also in the description below. Ready to get started? Let's make it happen. I'm off to work, guys. I'm gonna earn some money. Cheers!
Wait.